Friends, October month is the time for growing chrysanthemum, and many of the viewers are asking me that their plants are not growing properly. The plants growth is stunted. So this time I'll tell you how to grow very fast growth of this chrysanthemum. I'll tell you one spray. If you prepare one spray that is easily available in your area and that you can spray in 7 days gap, three times if you grow, then you can see that the enormous growth in your plants of this chrysanthemum. And these are the plants I have grown from the cuttings of from peach cuttings I have taken from the plants, and these are the grown. And if you want very fast growth, I'll tell you two things you have to mix and spray in easily. And beside this, if you want, you can apply some mustard cake liquid fertilizer also, that is you can apply. And these are the plants that I have applied mustard cake liquid fertilizer once, and now I'll tell you how to apply, what kind of things you can apply, so that you can get the rocket speed growth of your plants. So inside you can see in my sites, these are the shade area, and we have grown thousands of plants, and you can see beautiful growth, huge growth of plants, that what we have applied in these plants, that I'll divulge you today. And the nursery people apply these kinds of mixture fertilizer, spray this kind of mixture fertilizer, that I'll divulge in today. Just follow my tips and apply this, and you will see the amazing results. So these are the plants. You can see the last green plants, and all have around more than 8 to 10 branches here, and two pinching are still left. We have to pinch it up again, but before that I'll apply a mixture fertilizer, liquid mixture, that I am preparing it. How you can prepare, just I am telling you. First you have to take NPK 12 61 00, that is NPK nitrogen 12, 61 is phosphorus, and potash is 0. These kinds of combinations are easily available in the market. Just take around 2 gram of this salt, 2 gram of this chemical, and not more than 2 gram. And if you apply this one, and again in that you have to apply, mix another kind of thing that you have easily you can get in any of the chemist shop or any of the agricultural shop. This is Epsom salt. Epsom salt combination is magnesium sulfate. Is that both contains the magnesium as well as sulfur. It allows huge growth of plants, and magnesium allows the growth and huge growth of chlorophyll. And as a result, the sunlight is much absorbed by the chlorophyll, and as a result, the plant's growth is huge growth. You can see. Just mix it very well and shake it around 2 to 3 minutes, because they will take around 2 to 3 minutes to dilute it properly, dissolving it properly. And after dissolving it properly, spray it on these leaves of the plant and all the stems, drench the leaves and plants totally. And these things you have to do early in the morning. Early in the morning is the best, because this is the time of photosynthesis. If you want, you can do in the evening time also, but if you apply early in the morning, results would be much better. So this is the thing, only thing you have to apply. And in the meantime, after 15 days you can apply liquid mustard cake fertilizer also, but in the meantime you have to apply in 7 days gap, you have to apply 3 times this liquid fertilizer. In 20 days times you will see in enormous growth of these your plants. And if the plants are vibrant green and all the plants are stems are very strong, then new buds will come, strong buds will come, and lots of buds. As a result, the new beautiful big size of flowers will appear in your plants. So this is the thing you have to apply. And one more thing I'll tell you, that if you are growing, if you want huge flowering, and this is not right time to take the flowers from here, because if you take flowers from right now, then the buds will be very small amount, and the flower size will also not be proper size flower. So now I'll tell you, many of the viewers are asking me, you can see this is the beautiful plant. They are asking me that the new plants have already started some buds appearing in that, but in October month you cannot take the buds from here, so you have to pinch off all your buds, and in the October you have to stop pinching, and then in the November month you will take the buds, and in the November month, end of the November month, all the buds will grow in the full size, and you can get the flowers, beautiful flowers from these plants. And you see, these are the plants, beautiful nice plants, and the enormous growth of plants with this fertilizer, mixture fertilizer. Just apply it and write me in the comment box what is your experience with this 12 61 0 and Epsom salt mixture, and I'll tell you show you the enormous layer. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.